आई थिंक प्रभास एक्शन करे तो ही ठीक है.
You know what I mean? You
Yeah.
could have called it like
1 million baklavas.
Lehra do.
Bro, so to prepare for the final, I was watching 83.
Oh, okay.
For some reason, ये वो वाला जोक मारा है आपने. ये मैं इस साल वॉशरूम गया और मैं अगले साल बाहर दीपिका top tier है भाई. Top tier.
A-list.
And Virat Kohli now has won all trophies minus the IPL. इस साल कप नाम दे.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Pop Conversation. I'm Antriksh Thakkar, joined by
Snehila Neja.
Hello, and we are also joined in the room by a person named Aman. But the lesser you know about him, the better. No, he works for the studio, Sia Studio.
Great place.
Shout out to them. Shout out to Aman. Aman will be one viewer we are definitely getting this time. What are you talking about this episode, man?
Bro, first of all, let's start. So we are talking about the film that we watched over the weekend, which is Kalki.
Oh, I thought the India-England match is the film, the better film. No, both were very good films.
Better script.
Better script. Yes,
for sure. Better script. But congratulations to all the Indians in the world.
Oh, nice. In the world. Nice.
Yeah, of course.
So some of them were cheering for South Africa, or were they just brown people?
Not to them. पता है भाई, मेरा AB de Villiers जो साउथ अफ्रीकन प्लेयर है, मैं उसका एक इंटरव्यू देख रहा था एंड ही वाज लाइक कि अगर साउथ अफ्रीका ओपोनेंट ना होती तो आई वुड हैव डेफिनेटली बीन सपोर्टिंग इंडिया. बट जस्ट अ रिक्वेस्ट टू विराट कोहली कि लेट अस विन दिस वन टाइम. Please one time, just one time. They never won.
It's good.
ठीक है. But देखो,
they retired. By the way.
Yeah. Virat and Rohit retired.
Wow,
Virat announced.
Quite poetic together.
I swear.
Yeah.
So, bhai, Rohit has played 9 T20
because they need
World
more
Cups.
time to spend with each other. Sorry, go ahead.
Yes. So Rohit has played 9 World Cups.
9 World Cups.
9 T20 World Cups.
Fuck.
And
it's before, no, it's not once every 4 years anymore. There are multiple World Cups, guys. He's not that
so
old.
T20 World Cup is every 2 years.
Oh, dude. Okay, cool. T20 World Cup every 2 years.
Every 2 years. So 2007, 9. कुछ ऐसे
for any new viewers, you can clearly tell which of us is the cricket buff.
Of course, Antriksh.
yeah. Oh, sorry.
So yeah, but Virat obviously not scoring good runs throughout the World Cup and then in the finale.
Yeah. What a thing, dude.
And another thing that was very poetic, Rahul Dravid winning his first ICC trophy.
Oh wow.
Ever.
Really? Ever?
Yeah, he's never
What a
won.
legend, dude. But never won a trophy?
Exactly. Legend of the game. Never won a trophy as a player.
Wow.
No ICC trophy as a player. And then he takes the charge of India as their head coach. And I think...
Wasn't there talk about Gambhir also becoming the head
So,
coach?
अभी उसका tenure खत्म हुआ है.
अच्छा, Dravid is last.
Dravid का कल last day at office था.
Oh, unless he decides to continue?
No, he said that, yes, like, it was my last day.
Oh, so everyone's... So, Sharma,
Kohli and Dravid. And so, Dravid 2007 World Cup, जो World Cup था, 50 over World Cup, उसमें इंडिया ग्रुप स्टेज में ही बाहर हो गया था.
Okay.
और ग्रुप स्टेज में ऐसे बाहर मतलब बांग्लादेश से हार के बाहर हो गया था.
अच्छा, okay.
तो बहुत गालियां पड़ी
of course, I
थी.
remember this,
And Dravid was the captain. So, and it was happening in West Indies.
Oh, wow.
ठीक है. So, वहाँ से लाइक 2007 वहाँ पे जब उसको इतना बड़ा हार्ट ब्रेक मिला ड्राविड को, टू 2024 जब वो वेस्ट इंडीज में ही अपना T20 पहला ICC ट्रॉफी जीता. सो हिज फर्स्ट ICC वर्ल्ड कप वाज द अंडर 19 दैट ही वन विद द अंडर 19 टीम एज द कोच, एज देयर हेड कोच. एंड हिज सेकंड ICC ट्रॉफी इज T20 वर्ल्ड कप विद द इंडिया टीम as the head coach.
Oh, pretty cool.
Very
man.
poetic, dude.
Very cool.
Very poetic.
So, how many World Cups has Kohli played?
Kohli started, I think this was his 7th
He's
World
retired from T20.
T20.
International T20.
Yeah, T20.
Not IPL.
Not IPL.
Not to be confused by
So,
IPL.
Virat Kohli yesterday also completed his international cabinet of trophies. He's won all trophies that there are to be won by an Indian cricketer.
By an Indian cricketer?
By an Indian cricketer, yes.
Why doesn't apply to other?
Like मतलब as in हम लोग जितने टूर्नामेंट्स में पार्ट ले सकते हैं, वो उन सब में जीत चुका है अब.
Very cool.
The only trophy that is pending, which is not an international trophy, but it's still of high relevance, is the IPL.
Film award.
See, the way he looks, he can easily get into films.
He has it in already.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
But she also needs to release.
Cut that out.
But the only trophy that is left is IPL.
Yeah.
It's not an international trophy, but it's still like a very relevant and high value trophy for an Indian cricketer.
Okay.
Because IPL, Indian Premier League. The only other cricketer who has more trophies than Kohli, which is the one difference being IPL, is Yuvraj Singh.
Oh, okay, not Sachin.
No, Sachin. I don't think Sachin won the under 19. वो 16 साल की उम्र में तो इंटरनेशनल खेल रहा था वो।
अच्छा, उसको जरूरत क्या
तो वो
under
अंडर
19
19 क्या करेगा? So
Under 16 नहीं होता था.
so Yuvraj is the only player who's won all trophies plus the IPL trophy. And Virat Kohli now has won all trophies minus the IPL trophy. So hopefully IPL also soon. इस साल कप नाम दे.
Oh, he had a great
Next
performance in IPL this year. In comparison to this tournament.
So you know the camaraderie of the team. Rohit से पूछा semi-finals में, Dravid से पूछा
कि would you back Kohli?
Would you back Kohli? And they
that.
said कि भाई Kohli, of course.
It's like of course, again having him on the team is a great morale boost for the other players.
Exactly.
Even if he's not performing. Yeah, so dude, he's one of the finest for a reason.
Of course, bhai.
Yeah,
Of course.
For sure.
And it was great last night, dude. It was like
bro, madness. I saw a video of you going insane.
ब्रो भाई मेरी बहन ने ना कैमरा सेट कर दिया था
टीवी
के पीछे
वो will put it somewhere.
और मुझे नहीं आइडिया कि वो पीछे कैमरा लगा हुआ है। मेरी बहन और मेरी मम्मी को पता है। तो उनको आप देखोगे ना वीडियो में तो दे आर लाइक कि ऐसे करके आराम से एंगल्स एंड लुक एट लाइक yes out but almost had a tear last night while watching the game.
Yeah, almost.
Yeah. मतलब as in छलक गए थे थोड़े से.
Oh shit. लहरा दो.
Bro, so to prepare for the final, I was watching 83.
Oh, okay.
For some reason, I really like it. I really like the film, dude.
Yeah, it's a nice watch.
I really like 83, and it always makes me emotional. The last bit,
fair.
it always makes me emotional.
The part that gets me going every time is the Pankaj Tripathi saluting at the end of that the West Indies wala match.
नहीं, that's against Zimbabwe. जब Kapil
yes, that was the unaired match.
Yes, BBC जब strike पे था.
I love the legend of that whole thing also. Like
175.
One of the only unaired
matches.
Like, and what a performance!
Or
like
world
record-breaking
record.
performances.
Or world record. Okay.
But completely unaired matches. It's insane to think about.
Yes.
Coming to talking about films. Let's
yes.
get to the film of the year, probably.
Of the year, probably high chances.
Huh?
High chances. We haven't seen the next 6 months that are gonna come, but still, I think high chances. This is gonna be the film of the year.
Kalki 2898 AD is the movie we're talking about.
So this is going to release
we
1 week.
We saw it in 2024 AD. A few hundred years beforehand.
So this is going to release on, this episode is going to release on next Friday, which is 1 week after the movie is released.
Yeah, one.
ठीक है. So Thursday को release हुई है 27th. हम लोग इसको
We can't drop it beforehand. अब तो अपनी फीड है यार, कुछ भी करें. हाँ
कर तो सकते हैं वैसे, बट स्टार्टिंग में हम लोग थोड़ा साइकिल फॉलो करें, नहीं करें.
See, I think we should try to hit the Kalki and the World Cup mark. All this will be bossy topics.
ठीक है.
Okay, you guys tell us. Should we stick to our every Friday schedule, or do you, dear viewer, want
in
that,
every camera?
Yeah, correct. Do you want us to be releasing more?
हम कभी भी कर दें.
And कभी भी ऐसे यार वीडियो यार डालो यार बिंदास.
ये बात भी सही है, नहीं तो hype चला जाएगा.
हाँ यार, correct. Catch the wave.
But this is gonna be a spoiler review, reaction, thoughts
and
on
full
the film.
On spoiler, bro.
Full on spoiler.
I don't think there's a point talking about this movie without spoilers at this point.
वैसे ऐसा कुछ spoiler वाला thought है, मतलब ऐसा कुछ as such spoiler नहीं है.
वैसे ऐसा तो नहीं है, correct. हाँ. Yeah.
कुछ ऐसा out of the blue नहीं हो रहा है फिल्म में.
That's true.
Except the cameos, of course.
They're out of the blue. Yes,
they are out of the blue. They are quite out of the blue.
Okay, let's just get that out of the way.
ठीक है.
Okay, you know how much spoilery it is. We're talking about the cameos from the get-go. So fuck you if you haven't seen it. No, watch it. Please watch it. It's a very good film.
It's a very good film.
Rajamouli or RGV, what is the better cameo?
Rajamouli, dude. Of course, Rajamouli. Of course, Rajamouli. And the meta comments that they were making.
Yeah, dude. 5 साल
ले लेगा. And then Rajamouli भी like इस बार पकड़ा तो 10 साल लूँगा.
Correct. Very cool. So that was definitely fun. The movie Kalki 2898. If you haven't heard about it, if you somehow missed the marketing snippets, if you have no interest in watching the film, I don't know why you're watching this video. But if you are watching this video and you want to know more about the film is a dystopian future, alternate, possibly future, set in the year 2898.
Please let's hope it's not the future.
Hopefully not future. Hopefully alternate timeline.
I
Worst
swear.
timeline future. Where a dystopian despot or a figure by the name of Supreme Yaskin has taken over the world essentially.
Which is played by the legendary Kamal Hassan.
And humanity is on its last legs, so it seems. There's less of humanity left. It's like a post-apocalyptic dystopian future kind of thing. There's a lot of sand everywhere. There's desert.
But not the complex.
Ganga has dried up, guys.
Yes.
Yeah.
And that is the cue for...
And Ganga is not the name of your ex-girlfriend. Hey.
And that's the cue.
Okay, maybe cut that out. I said that about Ganga.
Why you've said a lot of things in the last episode. You've no idea how much time I've spent on editing the episode. It came to a point कि release के बाद भी edit करना पड़ रहा था.
वो तो करना पड़ा because I said some salacious
great things about
some things
great
that
people.
even Coffee with Karan would have problems with.
Oh, dude! But very fun episode, and thanks for everybody for tuning in.
For tuning in and
Yes.
leaving some nice comments,
We've hit 60 subscribers.
Yeah,
and
like things like you guys hyping the show hypes us up to do
swear,
more. It's very
dude.
nice. It's very sweet.
Yes.
Coming back to the movie 2098. So basically, now this Supreme Yaskin dude is around trying to rule the world.
Yes.
Then also somehow we find again. What somehow? I forgot it's spoilers. Basically, in this world is a kind of sequel bolo, like a follow-up bolo to the Mahabharat battle. In a sense.
Yes.
Because the character of Ashwathama, played by the amazing Amitabh Bachchan, and amazing in this film, by the way.
I swear, I think the best in the film.
Right?
The
Absolutely.
best.
Yeah. By God, dude. The dude is 80
Quite
years
literally
old.
by God.
Yeah, really. Quite literally by God. So he plays Ashwathama, inspired from the Mahabharat, and the tales of Mahabharat. And so they show Battle of the Kurukshetra as part of it.
Yes.
And what happened to Ashwathama since, because he was cursed by Lord Krishna
Yes.
of forever roaming the earth in repentance of his sins or something,
Yes,
right?
yes,
With like a disfigured body in a sense. And that's the mythology. And in this movie, how that plays into the whole thing is just so cool.
Amazing. I think इससे better mythology किसी ने अपने concept से weave in नहीं किया जितना अच्छा इन लोग ने किया.
बिल्कुल bro. Like exactly, you don't have to go
question,
anywhere else.
You don't question them at all
correct.
for what they're saying.
Absolutely, man. So also, see, again, you have to realize the similarities between this and Brahmastra.
Of course.
A lot of people, and we are not the only ones.
Yeah.
We were a little, a little क्या बोलते हैं कि अच्छा ठीक है देखते हैं कैसी होगी पिक्चर, but not too crazy expectations.
Very honestly, मैं तो वैसा भी नहीं था.
हाँ,
मुझे तो लग रहा था कि मतलब it's going to be another disaster.
So I'll tell you, okay, like I think I talked about it in the last episode or not, maybe I didn't, but I was quite hyped for this film.
Yeah.
Because I know that Nag Ashwin, the director of the film, who's done a phenomenal job, and we'll come to a lot of the different ways he's directed very well. He and his team from this film have been putting out snippets for over a year.
You've talked about this.
Yeah.
Yes.
How
they're making the guns,
correct.
how they're making everything. Yes.
It's called the From Scratch series. It's very cool. Also, in collaboration with this, Amazon Prime Video, I think, has put out an animated show.
Oh.
Animated short or something called Bhairav and Bujji.
Oh.
Okay,
nice.
It's an animated short. So they're like trying to so they're trying to maybe capture the kids also through that. But also that is showing that animated thing shows like the relationship between Bhairav and Bujji and how that how that plays into the thing. So very cool. So they've been dropping snippets and marketing thing for over a year. This has been going on. So I think especially down south, it's had a huge opening. It's making RRR records. I think internationally.
I think it's been 3 days and they've already crossed 300 crores.
That's ridiculous, man. So exactly. So all this has kind of worked, because now after watching the film, if I'm interested, okay, how do they think of this? How did that come about? You can go back and figure some of this shit out, because they put out the snippets for that. It's very interesting, dude, how they've done this. I don't know if this was intentional. I'm sure it was. If they're putting out snippets like this.
भाई, अगर तुम 3 साल लगा के picture बना रहे हो, you're already planning. You're obviously planning everything around it. Yeah.
And now, see, up till now, the views on those things were kind of like in the 100,000s. Okay, 100,000 Ks. Now they'll go to millions because people will be interested. So it's very smart how they did this. I think Jamie from Trident Fuse Productions is the one who turned me on to this.
Nice.
Not like I don't know him personally that much. I met him once or twice. But very cool guy. But because of his video, he was like, "This is what they've been doing." I'm like, "What? That's so interesting the way they're doing this."
Yes.
I especially again recommend the Gunzala video. That's one of my favorites again. So very cool.
So one thing that I really liked, जैसे मैंने mention किया, the way they've weaved Mytho into the world that they've
Absolutely.
built.
Yeah.
So they've shown all of this is happening in the land of Kashi.
Yeah, correct.
ठीक है.
Yeah.
So Kashi being the first city and the last city as they've established.
Yeah.
So जो प्रभास का character है, the Bhairav character that he's playing.
Yeah.
So mythology के
Bhairav god is on a dog, is it? Is it on a dog?
So the thing is, काल भैरव is the god, जो जिसके बारे में आप बात कर रहे हो,
Okay, हाँ.
जो उनके पास वो मूर्ति भी मिलती है,
correct,
right? ठीक है. तो काल भैरव is basically a version of Lord Shiva,
Okay.
the destroyer.
Okay.
So the destroyer version of Lord Shiv is Kal Bhairav.
Okay.
And Kal Bhairav is supposed to be the protector of Kashi.
Okay.
एंड कहते हैं कि काल भैरव को अगर गुस्सा आ जाता है तो वो पूरी धरती नष्ट कर सकते हैं.
Okay.
ही इज दैट पावर, ही इज द डिस्ट्रॉयर एस्पेक्ट ऑफ लॉर्ड शिव. सो जब उन्होंने प्रभास का नाम भैरव बोला, मैं तभी समझ गया था कि इस लाइक ही विल टर्न इनटू अ प्रोटेक्टर एट सम पॉइंट.
Yeah, sure.
ठीक है.
Yeah,
अब
yeah.
क्योंकि
वो
एक
तो
तो ऑब्वियसली वो लीड है, वो तो अपने को पता ही था. बट द एंड जैसे वो बोलते हैं कि काशी में है एंड द पर्सन इज कॉल्ड भैरव, सो आई वाज लाइक, ओ नाइस, लाइक फॉर समवन हु हैज हर्ड दीज स्टोरीज,
Sure.
नाइस. आई वाज लाइक इंस्टेंट कनेक्ट. ठीक है. So that was one thing that I really loved about the building, जैसे उन लोगों ने माइथो से उसको connect किया. Then again, so there are stories behind the Kal Bhairav being the protector of Kashi. If you're interested, should I narrate the stories?
No,
okay.
no, it's too
yeah,
long.
it's too long a story. Do read it. अगर आप कुछ चाहते हो कि मैं बताऊँ तो मैं एक छोटा सा short बना के डाल दूँगा.
Also, must say that it was a great setup film also.
Of course.
There were amazing moments. Deepika has a very prominent role.
Yes.
Like a similar character she's done in I think 1 or 2 films before this. But still very, very good.
Very good.
Amitabh to chha hi gaya. Prabhas was also very good. The
Prabhas
comedy did not work for me.
Comedy even. So for some, so a very hot take. I don't like. I might get a lot of hate for this.
But then be sexy about it, man.
No,
Hot
I
take.
might get a lot of hate. I think प्रभास एक्शन करे तो ही ठीक है.
This is a popular take right now.
फिर ठीक है.
Yeah. I heard like 2-3 other
फिर
people.
ठीक है. Because the comedy was not landing.
It was not.
The
Or maybe-
emotions were not
you saw it in
landing.
Hindi, right? You saw it in
Yeah,
Hindi
of
dub?
course.
Yeah, same. Was it landing better in
So मुझे भी यही लग रहा है कि आई थिंक ऐसा हो सकता है कि कॉमेडी जो है वो जो ओरिजिनल लैंग्वेज में बनी है उसमें
That's
ज्यादा
probably
लैंड
usually
हो रही
true
हो
for comedy
ठीक
especially,
है.
yeah.
बट स्टिल आई वुड स्टिल से द एक्सप्रेशंस द सीन्स जो एक हाई इमोशन सीन्स थे didn't land for me because of
Yeah.
the expressions and
Yeah.
expressions solely.
Yeah.
Action landed for me. Shout out to the BGM. Dude, I loved the BGM. ठीक
BGM
है?
was pretty good, yeah.
Yeah, संतोष नारायणन ने बनाया,
Yeah.
डिजाइन किया है, I guess.
Bro,
And
the visual effects
the visual effects
were
great.
You don't question the world building through the visual effects also is
Great,
amazing. Dude, all their sets, all that inverted pyramid called the complex.
Complex.
A lot of the names are very Americanized, like complex, units for currency.
हाँ, 1
That's,
million units.
1 million units, yeah. And million we lakh kar dete the.
Yes, so that's probably because they wanted to show the Western influence towards the end.
They want to show?
The Western influence towards the end.
Yeah, sure.
कि
fair.
मतलब हम इतना इन्फ्लुएंस हो जाएंगे कि हम लोग भी मिलियन से बात करने
but
लग
you know,
जाएंगे.
like you could have like units की वजह. Units sounds very we couldn't think of a name for a currency, so we just say
हो
units
सकता है.
because you could have said any name. You know what I mean? You
Yeah.
could have called it like
1 million baklavas.
yeah, you could call it that. You know, you could call it anything. So make it like you could have integrated that also. Unit
Yes.
seems a little. I mean, what am I, dude? But it seems a little lazy. But nobody watching this film gonna say they were lazy about it. So I'm sorry in saying that. But units could have been changed. Okay. But absolutely, they were not lazy about anything in this film.
Bro, great.
The world building, all the sets, all the looks, the costumes, and all very cool. What makes the film is the interval block and the climax block. By all means.
क्लाइमैक्स तो बहुत बढ़िया था.
Climax was mind blowing.
ग्रेट क्लाइमैक्स था.
Great,
वो.
great.
ठीक है.
The interval block
interval
where
block क्या था?
Deepika escaping from the thing, walking through fire and all that.
Oh,
that was the entire interval block.
our very own Khaleesi
Yeah.
from Game of Thrones.
Another parallel between Brahmastra and this one, or opposites, whatever. In that, Deepika is walking through water.
Oh,
And this one
she's
she's walking through fire.
Nice.
But
There
yeah.
were a lot of parallels actually.
Amitabh Bachchan.
Towards the end actually,
Yeah.
जब again spoiler. Towards the end, जब Prabhas का character finally realizes the the Karan instinct.
Again, spoiler, huh?
Yeah,
Please.
मैं बोला.
बोलना मत फिर इस बार में.
The Karan instinct.
But
instinct.
did you? Okay, I saw that coming.
Of course, I saw
from a
that
certain-
coming, dude.
like,
Yeah.
He described the stuff. Okay, interesting.
Yeah, exactly.
And then it immediately cuts to.
ये बहुत
Prabhas.
ही ये
Yeah.
बहुत ही
That's
old
the
school
Jon Snow
technique
moment.
है.
Jon Snow, Game of Thrones
It's a
moment.
very old school
Yeah,
technique of
correct.
giving
Storytelling.
indications कि कौन क्या
Correct,
होने
correct,
वाला है.
correct. But how they did it was very cool.
Yeah.
Also, I was able to tell during the fight.
Bro, that was
Okay.
Marvel. The way जैसे Thor का
correct.
hammer Captain America पकड़ता है.
नहीं, but this one like the leaf comes and drops it.
हाँ.
It's like, you know, it wants to be.
और
But
फिर
no,
जो
no.
पूरा ऐसे उसको मार के घूम के वापस
Correct.
उसके हाथ में आता है.
That is awesome.
Yeah.
And I was expecting that to happen. Like he'd put out his hand and that comes flying. It would be damn cool. But the second Amitabh threw the staff and it goes and embeds in that, I'm like, oh, that's exactly what's gonna happen. This guy's
Yeah.
gonna go get beat up.
Exactly,
Go there,
yeah.
Okay, and then he's gonna come into that. I'm like, yeah, I fucking saw that coming, dude. But I love when that happens. When it's a good movie and you see things coming, you're like, oh, I figured it out, dude. I'm smart.
People were clapping, hooting,
Dude.
shout.
That was
I
awesome.
went for an
I had a blast.
11:45 p.m. show.
Yeah.
That's quite literally the last show in my area.
Yeah.
It ended at 3:30 a.m.
3:30 a.m. Wow.
So, भाई मतलब I like on a Friday I would expect that people would be like, you know, थोड़ा काम से आए हैं, थके हुए हैं वगैरह वगैरह. Dude, people were going batshit crazy.
Sure, that makes sense.
And I was so happy to see that.
Yeah.
पता नहीं for some reason मैं अगर सिनेमा में जाता हूँ and audience is as engaging as like मतलब वो अगर compliment करते हैं ना उस फिल्म को, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. ऐसा लगता है लोग सिनेमा enjoy कर रहे हैं.
So there's also a Vijay Devarkonda cameo.
Vijay Deverakonda cameo?
He was Arjun. That's Vijay Devarkonda, bro.
What?
Yeah, you don't realize? Okay, spoiler alert again.
That was Vijay Deverakonda?
Yeah, bro. You don't realize? Yeah, that was Vijay Devarkonda.
Bro, no,
Yeah,
bro.
Arjun was Vijay Devarkonda. How did you not realize this, bro?
Fuck, I didn't realize that.
Yeah, you know Kamal Hassan was Yaskin. You know Amitabh was Ashwatthama.
That was Vijay?
Yeah, Brad. Yeah, so right now his so I quite enjoyed him. It was like the performance.
But
good enough.
so this is one of the few films जहाँ पे अर्जुन को थोड़ा ग्रे दिखाया है. हाँ?
Yeah,
Normally
correct.
लोग पांडव के कैरेक्टर्स को ज्यादा टच नहीं करते.
So again, okay, I have to again. I've talked about if you used to watch our previous show, you will know that I've talked about this thing. This what I'm going to recommend right now. Grant Morrison, one of the greatest comic book writers of all time, has written a series called 18 Days.
18 Days. Yes.
Okay, it is beautiful. It also talks about the Kali Yuga. And you know all that, and how we are living in the Kali Yuga right now, and then the Yuga before that, where all these people look, like Bhishma and Drona and the Pandavas and Kauravas and the battle of the Mahabharata, all that took place during that Yuga. So 18 days is about the 18 days of the Mahabharata.
Of the Mahabharata, yes.
And the visuals, like how they've shown the battles in the Astras and all, is a lot of that is not taken. I'm sure Grant Morrison was inspired by our epics, of course. That's of course what it is. But like they've shown it like that, like you know, like these are lightning bolts and like very cool visuals and all, and like bright colors and all. So very cool, very well done. So check that out also if you want like a fun read into like a light mythology read into Mahabharata. 18 Days is a great adaptation, I would say. Sorry, I'm sorry for going there. One thing that did not work though, Amitabh de-aging was weird as hell.
That was very bad.
That was
very bad.
That was so bad.
वो
That was
अच्छा
very
नहीं था.
weird, dude.
अभिषेक को ले लेते यार, जब इतने
That was-
कैमियोस
yeah,
कर ही रहे थे.
that was very
जब इतने कैमियोस कर रहे थे, अभिषेक को ले लेते.
अभिषेक
मतलब अगर
that would make sense.
अगर एक सीन के लिए मृणाल ठाकुर आ सकती है, एक सीन के लिए दिशा वाटनी आ सकती है, एक सीन के लिए राजामौली आ सकते हैं, एक सीन के लिए राम गोपाल वर्मा आ सकता है, एक सीन के लिए 2 सीन के लिए अभिषेक बच्चन भी आ सकता है.
आ सकता था वैसे तो. हाँ, that would be nice actually. That would be cool.
अच्छा रहता है
Yeah,
एक्चुअली
that
मुझे.
would be,
सो दैट वाज वन. सो very few things didn't work for me, and the de-aging was one of them.
Yeah. And Disha Patni, dude.
And bro,
That whole thing was just so stupid, man. That was not needed. I see. They could make the argument, oh, that was world building. We're trying to show what the complex is like and why this guy's attracted to the complex.
Bro,
but maybe the intrigue of it would have worked even better. You know?
Also, I think जब तुमने complex का एक नैरेटिव दे दिया ना, हम लोग समझ गए थे कॉम्प्लेक्स कैसा है.
हाँ.
वो 20 मिनट की जरूरत ही नहीं थी.
हाँ, वो डांस तो came out of nowhere. That was
bro,
fucking
genuinely
song.
I tell you, so one thing that I was really like not really disappointed but still like a little disappointed in was the length of the film and still
Yeah.
it not being completed.
Yeah, absolutely. Correct.
अगर मैं 3 घंटे की फिल्म देखने जा रहा हूँ,
Yeah.
तो एक तो पहला मेरे माइंड में होगा कि मैं पूरी पिक्चर देख कर आऊंगा.
Oh, but I knew this was a setup movie.
No,
anyway.
that's what. So I understand. So going into this film, I knew कि second part आना है इसका. Earlier it was supposed to be a trilogy. So actually, when the project started, it was called Prabhas 21 because it was the 21st film of Prabhas.
Okay, Malab, that was the working title.
The working title. Then they finalized on a title called Project K. याद है जब अनाउंस हुई थी तो Project K के नाम से अनाउंस हुई थी.
Oh, अच्छा.
Because the Supreme Yaskin is working on a project which is called Project K.
Oh, got it.
So it was called Project K, and then eventually it became Kalki,
okay,
जो अभी final title है.
Yeah.
So it started with the rumor of it being a trilogy, and I think now they're doing it with 2 films.
But who knows? It
But who
continue.
knows exactly?
Yeah,
Anywho,
yeah.
so 3 घंटे में I could easily see कि 20-25 मिनट 30 मिनट आराम से कट सकते थे फिल्म से.
easily.
So first half for me was a little slow.
Hit or miss, basically.
Hit or miss.
And
Second
a lot of
half
hits. Was, dude, banger,
Banging.
great editing,
Banging.
great action sequences.
Yeah.
Amitabh Bachchan fucking छा गए. It was
bro,
so good.
Amitabh Bachchan on screen had me like this.
Yeah, it was badass as hell.
Great.
In the first half, even Prabhas's, I feel, अगर entry करनी थी, करवानी थी तो better कर सकते थे. थोड़ा.
Also, I expect this. Also, I
right?
expect this from movies like this.
Yeah.
जिसमें हीरो की एंट्री ऐसी होगी कि मतलब हिल जाएंगे
Yeah,
लोग.
correct.
बट इसमें प्रभास की मुझे उतनी स्ट्रॉन्ग एंट्री नहीं लगी.
I liked the banter between him and Bujji. Could have been funnier, but still it was nice. Like I want to see that more.
Yeah, fair.
Him making Bujji into like a transformer thing that he sits inside was pretty cool.
Hard.
Again, see that also was not terrible CGI. It was
It
quite
was not
good.
bad. It was
quite
not bad.
good.
Yes.
Quite nice. I would say.
CGI was very good.
Very good,
CGI,
very good.
VFX, everything
Dude,
was very good.
I like these small touches. Like so, everything in this world is from like dystopian futurized.
Yeah.
You know, in a sense. So like different elements are that. Even like their flying machines are like flying Viman. They actually are in the shape.
Yeah.
Like the complex ka people, like Yaskin's people. They're like it's the shape of a Viman.
Yeah,
type,
yeah,
You know. So that's like small things like that are very cool. There's a lot of you'll see a lot of like elements bolo, parallels bolo, inspirations bolo from like things like Star Wars.
Yes.
From Mad Max.
Dune.
From Dune.
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll see some of that. That's pretty cool. The best thing, okay, other than Amitabh Bachchan for me, was those 2 scenes with Kamal Hassan.
Oh, dude, Kamal Hassan was great.
Man,
he was great.
that whole thing was eerie as
fuck, yes.
That whole environment with the water underneath, him like floating above it. I'm sorry for the person in the room, Aman, who has not seen this film, and he's like on you know like on his back foot.
Yeah.
यार मेरे को spoiler नहीं चाहिए. What to do?
He was actually not supposed to be here also.
Yeah, Aman, can you just shout hi? Yeah, just so you know there's someone else in the room. I'm
Yeah.
not making that up. But sorry, go ahead. Kamal Hassan. Yeah, that whole thing was damn cool.
Also the way end में जैसे जो उसके balls पीछे होती हैं वो उसके हाथ
बन जाते हैं.
Oh, fuck.
Very good touch, dude.
Very good.
Very smart.
Very good.
Very well done.
Bro, so this is
Very
why
nice.
I love the films जो मतलब mythology से थोड़ी linked होती हैं. There is so much in it. Like you can draw so many parallels. There is, I think, dude. So I think we have culturally and mythologically one of the richest
100%.
texts and scriptures to refer to.
Yeah.
And Kalki nailed it when they tried to draw parallels and weave the story in. कमल हसन का वो हाथ वाला टच मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. एक और चीज़ जो मेरे लिए स्टैंड आउट करी, बहुत छोटी डिटेल थी बट इट स्टूड आउट, जस्ट शोज कि उन लोगों ने कितनी डिटेल तो क्या ही, अगर किसी ने थोड़ा बहुत भी माइथोलॉजी को ध्यान दिया है तो उन लोग को ये बात पता होगी कि अश्वत्थामा को जब ये कर्स मिला था कि तुम्हें कर्स / वरदान, आप जैसे भी उसको परसीव करो, कि यू विल बी अलाइव टिल द एंड ऑफ टाइम अंटिल यू सर्व योर पर्पस, और जब उनकी मणि ले ली गई थी उनसे तो उनकी जो पावर्स थी वो उनसे चली गई थी. एंड उनकी बॉडी में समथिंग इक्विवेलेंट ऑफ लेप्रेसी कहते हैं जैसे, वो उनमें बिल्ड हो जाता है ओवर द टाइम. ठीक है. एंड जब अमिताभ को वो मणि मिलती है उस बच्ची से, और वो जब अपनी पट्टी हटाते हैं तो उनके यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे जख्म होते हैं. भाई ये बहुत छोटा डिटेल है, एंड जैसे ही वो मणि लगाते हैं वो ठीक हो जाता है. ये बहुत छोटा डिटेल है, एंड द फैक्ट दैट दे लुक्ड इनटू इट, वेरी गुड,
वेरी कूल. Also, again coming back to the story a little bit, then this world also, basically what has happened is this person Yaskin wants to basically firstly rule the world, and
keeps himself
alive through whatever means possible. Part of that means of keeping himself alive is capturing fertile women, and basically making them grow babies in a way, or incubate babies in a way, so that the essence of the baby before its birth can be given to Yaskin to then ingest into himself to become younger. Again, spoilers. Okay, complete.
Younger nahi, I guess.
Or like
the most powerful, because he's looking for that one baby.
Correct. So basically, this is also this is also a parallel between the Kans thing. In Kans, when he found out that his sister's child,
8th child will be
Vishnu, or like his bane, like will be his death. Krishna will be his bane. He captured the sister and made her, and killed all the first 7 babies, right?
Yes.
So it's that kind of thing, right? So he's like, I'll capture all the women. So if the child happens to be there also, firstly I'll get his essence, I guess, and then I'll know that this was it, So maybe that's what that's the parallel there.
Fair.
That makes sense, right?
Yes, that makes sense.
Yeah,
actually,
I thought of something, man.
That too in Mytho.
Hey, I know my Mahabharata quite well, I would say. I've read a lot of versions of Mahabharata, not the, of course, the main text.
Rest everything.
Like I've read like multiple illustrated versions, multiple comics about it. I love this.
Nice.
Anyway, so fucking Kamal Hassan was awesome. Sorry. In this world, so women are captured as fertile beings, just to basically get the essence thing for Yaskin. Deepika is one of them. Deepika is one of the caretakers, actually, of these women.
Yes.
Okay. These caretakers are decided upon. So these women are tested when they're captured. How the potential of you having like a fertile womb or something like that. I'm not exactly sure.
Yeah, you're right. Fertile womb.
Yeah. So those who have fertile wombs are then captured,
taken care of for 120 days.
Yeah.
And उसके बाद, because the doctors, the scientists there say कि 120 days या 100 days तक अगर आप जो बच्चा है वो डेवलप हो जाएगा, उसके बाद उसका जो सीरम निकालेंगे हम लोग, वो हम लोग टेस्ट कर सकते हैं, वो हम यास्किन को दे सकते हैं. So वो चल रहा होता है, and then Deepika manages to escape.
Because also turns out she is, so all the other women have been up till now like 100 days pregnant.
90 days.
90 days pregnant.
Yes.
Okay. No, 100 also. No, 100 हो गया था. Yeah.
100 हो गया था? I think 92 था maximum.
I thought it was 100 something. But anyway, so Deepika has had a child in a woman for over 150 days.
50 days, yes.
Turns out that is the child that's going to be the savior. Kalki,
yes.
Right? The last avatar of
Vishnu.
Lord Vishnu,
yes.
Right?
The Dashavatar, the 10th avatar.
Yeah, so that's going to be Kalki, and Ashwathama, when he realizes this, sets out to protect Deepika.
Yes.
And they call her Ma.
Yes.
And
the mother.
And she's so one gripe.
Okay.
With Deepika, like again, she was beautiful and amazing, and like very good in the film for what her role required. But I feel she, as an actor, can of course give more, and we know that, right?
Of course.
So it was like, was she wasted?
I think second part में होगा ना भाई.
Huh, I know. Maybe the build-up is to that, right?
It's obviously.
So Brahmastra 2 and this one too,
Kalki
2 are
It's gonna be Deepika.
Is it gonna be 2899 AD? It could well be.
Of course not, bhai.
Well, how do you know that?
So they don't, bhai. The
What if
event,
1 year has passed?
the event, 1 year तो pass हो ही नहीं सकता ना, because Prabhas takes Deepika there to Yaskin, right? तो
But what if that's New Year night? Hey, you don't know.
ये वो वाला जोक मारा है आपने, ये मैं इस साल वॉशरूम गया और मैं अगले साल बाहर
Exactly right.
But yeah, Deepika obviously could have done more, but the thing is next film में होगा भाई, for sure, because Deepika ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट को हाँ करेगी ही नहीं जहाँ पे,
है ना? Why would she? Correct. That makes sense. That makes sense. Obviously.
Top tier है भाई,
Yeah,
top tier.
A-list. Full A-list.
What else? So did songs work for you?
There were no songs.
There were 3 songs.
Like, oh, they were like back to BGM and one was the dance was shit.
Even I
pretty
didn't like
bad.
it. Yeah.
The BGM ones I didn't notice.
अमिताभ का था स्टार्टिंग में जो कास्टिंग के थ्रू था. ब्रो कास्टिंग कितना जल्दी निकला.
Yeah, correct.
मुझे लगा मेरी आंख में प्रॉब्लम है. I swear मुझे लगा मुझे चश्मा लग गया and then I realized कि वो बहुत तेज निकला.
But yeah, that was cool.
That was good. Finally, let's talk about the cameos at length and the fourth wall breaking and the meta jokes that they cracked.
Sure.
Okay.
Also, one more thing before that is I kind of like that they did not show Krishna's face.
Yeah, even I liked it.
Right? Because again, that leaves multiple things. It can also be like, okay, they didn't want to get in the political hassle and people getting more offended or what have you. But people can get offended with everything else in this film also.
I still can't wrap my head around the fact that I didn't recognize Vijay Deverakonda, dude.
Yeah, that's ridiculous to me, dude. I thought you would absolutely do that.
Dude. I wrote all the cameos here and I didn't even notice Vijay. Wow, dude. Great. Anyway.
Vijay, you're doing a great job, it turns out.
Yeah, I believed you were Arjun.
Arjun, man. The actual Arjun. So yeah, the Krishna not showing face, because that also leaves intrigue for like who'll play him for the next one maybe.
Also, will there be
is there a need for like more developed?
But the way they showed Krishna was so good.
Very good.
Like मतलब वो नहीं होता magnum opus एकदम larger than life, जिस तरीके से कृष्णा को दिखाना चाहिए वैसे दिखाया उन्होंने. Anyway, so the meta jokes and the cameos that they cracked. So the cameos that I noticed, now that I didn't notice Vijay Deverakonda, I don't know what else I missed. Dulquer Salmaan.
Yeah, DQ.
ठीक है. Great. I like the arc. I really like the little arc that they build of him.
Sure.
ठीक है. And
he could have a role to play later.
Also,
they didn't show him dying.
Of course. Also a Mahabharat reference that he loses his what do you call that, apprentice होता है जो
apprentice student
of sorts in Jua while gambling.
Oh, who is this in reference to?
Mahabharat.
Which character is this reference to?
All the Pandavas, bhai. So Pandavas lose their everything in the game of dice.
Correct, that's true. Yeah.
ठीक है. So I think that's also a great reference.
The battle of Hastinapur.
That's how the battle started, no? Yeah. And उनका फिर पूरा वनवास हुआ पूरा. So
द्रौपदी की साड़ी, हाँ, बाबू भैया. Not बाबू भैया.
So that's a good relation and parallels drawn to Mahabharat. Dulquer Salmaan, great cameo. Another cameo, Ram Gopal Verma. The cameo that
random.
What the fuck, so random.
Yeah, so random.
ठीक है. वो और वो आके अंडा देके चला जाता.
Yeah, because Bhuti didn't have feet.
ठीक है. So Ram Gopal Verma was one cameo. Another cameo, Mrunal Thakur. Quick cameo. Yeah. The sacrifice of Mrunal Thakur. Then another cameo was
ये अपना
Rajamouli, of course. Dude, Rajamouli. And all the
also
meta jokes.
Anna Ben is an actress, who dies in the car chase.
Oh yes,
that's Anna Ben. She's a South Indian actress. She's like very popular.
Nice.
And she was quite nice.
Yeah, cute.
Nice quick character.
Also, yeah, Rajamouli and all the cameos कि अरे फिर आ गया, all the jokes ये फिर आ गया, इससे जल्दी भाग 5 साल के लिए पकड़ लेगा नहीं तो, and then him saying कि इस बार पकड़ा तो 10 साल के लिए पकड़ूंगा. That was a good meta joke for all the Bahubali people. And then there was this another meta joke. So जैसे उनको rebels कहते हैं ना, the one who are trying to put a fight against the complex, they are called rebels. ठीक है. And in the very beginning when Prabhas and Bujji capture a rebel, and that rebel says कि ओ मैं आपका बहुत बड़ा fan हूँ, and then Prabhas says कि ओ ये देख रही है मेरे fan है, and then Bujji says हाँ rebel fans. So Prabhas is called the rebel star down south.
Okay.
ठीक है. So जैसे साउथ में हर एक्टर को एक टाइटल दिया जाता है, ठीक है, रिबेल स्टार या सुपरस्टार और मास स्टार, रॉकिंग स्टार, जैसे यश को रॉकिंग स्टार कहते हैं, ठीक है. तो वैसे ही इसको प्रभास को रिबेल स्टार प्रभास कहते हैं, तो इसको रिबेल स्टार कहते हैं. तो जब वो बोलती है रिबेल फैंस, सो दैट्स अ रेफरेंस टू रिबेल स्टार, रिबेल फैंस, ठीक है. एंड अनदर मेटा जोक वाज जब ये लोग अमिताभ को रेफर करते हैं एंग्री जायंट मैन. taking like obviously taking from angry young man, the angry giant,
and he is that. He's 8 feet tall.
8 feet tall. And
Gandalfian.
And I like the fact that they like it was not bad the way they showed him.
Very cool.
ठीक है, इतना बड़ा. जैसे आदि पुरुष में also they tried to do this with Saif Ali Khan's character, showed him like 10 feet tall.
But that was gimmicky.
It was not gimmicky here. It was absolutely believable.
Very well done.
Yes.
Like his strength and all is so cool. He's
absolutely believable.
Damn nice. Let's quickly talk about predictions for next film.
Next film?
Part 2.
Part 2. Oh.
Do you think that the child is already born by the time the movie starts?
No,
or do you think the struggle will be now getting the child to be born?
पहले यही होगा. Exactly this. Okay. So I think Prabhas का character चला गया. Now that we know Prabhas is the current equivalent of
again, what a sequence! That action sequence was amazing.
बहुत अच्छा था वो. बहुत अच्छा.
But that whole thing before he becomes Karan also, or realizes this thing. And also the way he comes out of the current trance.
Yes.
Because in a bit, at first you're taken aback. This guy was just fighting for Yaskin's side.
Yeah.
And suddenly now he's like, this thing. But then he was in trance. It was damn well done.
Great. So I think Prabhas ko, the second part will be mostly making Prabhas realize who Prabhas is. And then both of them helping Deepika against Yaskin. Helping the child get born. And that's how it will be, I guess.
Okay, fair enough. And then you think in the next film Prabhas will at some point realize that he is this and he has his powers.
पड़ेगा क्योंकि अब इन्होंने यहाँ टीज कर दिया, अगला पूरा फिल्म ये लोग बिना realization के नहीं निकाल सकते.
Correct, that makes sense. Correct. You think once the child is born, does that mean Ashwatthama can be laid to rest?
No. So the child will have to first end Kali Yuga, no?
Oh.
To enter. So Kalki is supposed to come when at the end of Kali Yuga, to end Kali Yuga, to be very true to the scriptures. जब पाप जो है वो अपनी सीमा पे होगा, तब कल्कि जो है वो पैदा होगा और उस पाप को खत्म करके कलयुग खत्म करेगा, and then we'll get into the first युग again.
Okay, cool. The possibility of Prabhas and Deepika's characters falling in love? No, because Disha Patni will come back.
No. So it won't make sense. I don't think there's room for a love story here.
Dude, but Indian audiences need some love story.
No, dude.
I think that's a requirement. They have to put this in because Disha Patni's thing, because just they directors and like what filmmakers assume that that's a prerequisite for a lot of films.
I don't think there's a love story required for Deepika's character. Not at all.
Not required, but do you think they make that happen?
No. It will not be true to the nature of the film.
Okay, fair enough. Let's see.
Should not happen.
I think they'll go down there. I'd hope they don't and make it like an actual, just a futuristic sci-fi epic.
Yes.
But I truly think that they will go down there.
I also like one quick thing that I really liked about the film was that they picked the two negatives and like grayish towards black characters from Mahabharata. Ashwatthama and Karn.
Karn.
Because both of them fought for the Kauravas, not for the Pandavas. Okay? And Karn was actually like a Pandav.
He was basically he was Kunti's
Kunti's
sixth,
firstborn.
Yeah, first child and the
Firstborn.
sixth Pandav in a way.
And actually the first Pandav.
Yeah. But he wasn't Pandu's son. So
He was not a Pandu's son.
Yeah.
He was
See, I know my mythology.
Suryaputra.
Man.
So he was the son of the sun. Actually.
Yeah, the sun
ठीक
god.
है?
Yeah.
तो I like the fact that हम लोग ने पांडव्स का स्टोरी बहुत बारी सुना है.
Correct.
Not a lot of people know about the stories that come
exactly,
from
there are so
Kauravas.
many great characters in Mahabharata.
Yeah, all characters are grey, bro.
A lot of them,
all characters are grey. Even Lord Krishna is not completely
100%,
white.
100%. Very manipulative, Lord Krishna in Mahabharata.
So तभी तो Lord Krishna को 16 कला संपूर्ण कहते हैं, ठीक है. So that's why I loved the fact कि इन लोगों ने कर्ण और अश्वत्थामा को उठाया as characters और उनका स्टोरी एक्सप्लोर किया. जिन्होंने भी हमारे पुराने एपिसोड सुने, मैं बार बार बोलता रहता हूँ ये बात कि सिर्फ रामायण की स्टोरी एज इट इज जो हमने 200 बार पढ़ी, देखी, सुनी है, वो उसके अलावा देयर आर सो मेनी अदर कैरेक्टर्स इफ यू वांट टू गेट इनटू माइथोलॉजी. आई लव द फैक्ट दैट दे पिक्ड कर्ण एंड अश्वत्थामा जिनकी स्टोरीज हैं बट लोगों ने उतनी एक्सप्लोर नहीं करी हैं.
Yeah, absolutely.
And I loved it that they did that.
Absolutely, man. So that brings us to the end
Yes.
of this amazing
It's a definite
review.
recommendation, by the way, guys.
Absolutely. Like,
Definite
please go check it out in the theater even if you can. Absolutely recommend.
3D, IMAX, 2D, जैसे भी देखना देखो.
Absolutely. And if you've seen it already, which you probably have, and that's why you're watching a spoiler review, please tell us what you thought of it. And if we should be doing more of such kind of reviews and what have you. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Popcorn Conversation. You like the name? All right.
Wordplay.
Yeah.
Wordplay.
Let us know, guys, what else is happening in life. We'll see you again next week. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel. Hope you're enjoying the content we're putting out there.
Please subscribe, यार. देखो दोस्तों, वो afloat रहने के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है.
Dude, 100%, man.
बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. I am very thankful for all the comments and messages that I received after we released the video and supportive comments. But all thanks, emotions aside, we need the subscribe.
Yes, please जल्दी 1000 तक पहुंचा दो.
क्योंकि भाई 1 रुपया भी नहीं आएगा YouTube से तो हम स्टूडियो के अमन भाई निकाल देंगे हमें स्टूडियो से.
हाँ यार.
वो बोलेंगे
पैसा तो स्पॉइलर भी दे रहे हो और पैसा भी नहीं दे रहे हो.
जो चीज नहीं चाहिए वो दे रहे हो. जो चीज चाहिए वो नहीं दे रहे हो. तो please do hit that subscribe button. We will also be out on audio soon. Listen to us.
We should be out on audio by now already.
And video देखो, views लाओ, comment करो. I loved the finally. I was missing that. I can't believe you didn't say this on the podcast. In the comments, I can't believe you didn't talk about Chamkila, dude. I actually we forgot. We were supposed to talk about Chamkila, but
dude, also there's so much to talk about Diljit right now, dude.
I swear.
Tonight's show. What a thing that was.
I know,
but there's no time. We have the studio only till 10:30. It is 10:37. We have to end this right now. But we will
talk
be back
about all
next
of this in the next episode. Okay, bye-bye. See you.